This is the BLUETTI EB3A. This is my favorite power station. We use it all the time in this household. If you're like us, have power outages happening all over the place all the time, this is a real life saver. But if you are an RVer, if you're a camper, this is awesome because it's so portable. It's a little unit that packs a punch and power. I just want to show you what we just tested out. It does have AC power, which is crazy. So I'm just going to plug in a vacuum that I have right here. I'm just going to plug in the vacuum, and I'm going to make sure that the AC is on. And check this out. I mean, not that you're going to vacuum your tent, but you could if you wanted to, really. I can charge my phone. I can charge USB-A, USB-Cs. I can plug in DC units if you've got anything that works with DC. And also, and this is the next thing that I cannot wait to do, is I will be able to plug in right here a solar panel. And within 3 hours, the solar panels are going to recharge this whole thing. I'll be able to run appliances, lights, fans, ice machines. We just ran an ice machine just to make ice. Imagine that. If you're on a picnic, if you're on a boat, if you're anywhere, this little thing from BLUETTI can follow you literally everywhere and bring the power with it.